Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about factorization using common factor. How to find a common factor? Come, let's learn first how to find a common factor. Look at these three monomials 6xy, 14x square y and 2x. Now we write the product of irreducible factor for these three. So what is the irreducible factor for 6xy? The 6 is written as 2 into 3 and x is 1 times, y is 1 times. Next 14x square y. How to write 14 in irreducible factor? Yes, it is 2 into 7. So 2 into 7 x square. X is 2 times. So x into x and y 1 time, so is y. So 7 into 2 into x into y. That is the irreducible factor for 14x square y. How to write the 2x children? Yes, you have to write 2 into x. Look at these three factors now. What do you observe from in these three? Yes, some of the factors are common here. Yes, what are the factors common? 2 is common and x is common in these three monomials. So what is the common factor here? Yes, the 2x is the highest common factor for these three monomials. Come, let's look at one more problem here. Find the highest common factor of 5z square x y cube and xy square. How to find the common factor of these two monomial children? Yes, first we need to write the product of irreducible factor. Yes, so what is the product of irreducible factor for 5z square x y cube? 5 is already in an irreducible form. Yes. So how to find the z square? Z is 2 times. So z into z. So we have to write 5 into z into z x 1 times and y cube. So y is 3 times. So y into y. So this is the irreducible form of 5z square x y cube. Next we have to write xy square. So how to write xy square? Yes, we have to write x into y. Look at these two factors, children. What are the factors are common here? Yes, x is common and yes, y is common. So x and y is a common factor of 5z square xy cube and xy square. So highest common factor is x into y, xy. Look at this problem. Find the highest common factor of 4a square, 36a cube b square and 12ab. Now we need to write the product of irreducible factor for 4a square. This 2 into a into a. Yes. Now we have to write 36a cube b square. This is a small number, so easily you're finding irreducible factor. Yes. So how to find for the 36? If you find it difficult to find the irreducible factor, please use prime factorization method. So what is a prime factorization for the 36 children? Yes, the 36 is divisible by 2. 2 is a prime number. Yes. Because all the prime numbers are in an irreducible form. Okay. So now we can divide this. We can get 18. So again 18 is divisible by 2. 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 3. Again 3 is divisible by 3. 1. So what is the irreducible form of 36? 2 into 3 into 3. And a cube 3 times a into a and b is b into b. So 36a cube b square is written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. A cube is a into a and b square is b into b. Next we have 12ab. How to write 12? In the same way, you can use a prime factorization. So you have to write 2 into 2 into 3 is a 12. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. And A is 1 times and B is 1 times. So A into B. So these are the factors of these three monomial. Now look at what is common here. Yes, in each one has 2 times 2. So that is a common here. Yes, and look at other variable. Here A into A. Here A into A. But you have here only A. So only 1 times of A is common for all the ones. So we can write A is common. So what is a common factor here? 2 and 2. 2 into 2 into A. So 2 into 2, 4. So 4 into A, 4A. What is the highest common factor of these three monomial children? Yes, it is 4A. Yes. Next, factorize 2b square c plus 4bcd plus 6bc using common factor method. Already we find how to find common factor for two monomial. Yes. So now in this polynomial has 3 terms. Yes. What are the 3 terms? 2b square c plus 4bcd plus 6bc. So now we need to write the product of irreducible factor for these 3 terms. The first term 2b square c is written as 2 into b into b into c. What is the second term? Yes, it is 4bcd. How to write 4? Yes children, it is 2 into 2. So 4bcd equal to 2 into 2 into b into c into d. What is the next term? 6bc. How to write 6? 2 into 3. Yes. So we can write this is 2 into 3 into c into b. Yes. So now look at these 3 factors. What is common? Yes. Which factor is common for these 3 terms? 2 is common and yes children, B is common and yes, very good children, C is common. So 2BC is common for 3 terms. Yes. So I am going to write 2BC is common. Now we have to look at what all the factor or remaining in each term. Look at the first term which is remaining, B. So we can write B plus what is remaining in the second one? 2 and D. So plus 2D. What is remaining in the third term? Yes, 3. So write 3. So what is the factorization of 2b square c plus 4bcd plus 6bc children? It is 2bc into b plus 2d plus 3. Look at the next problem. Factorize 3y x minus 2 the whole square minus 2 into x minus 2. How many terms do we have in this polynomial? Yes children, we have 2 terms. Yes. What is the first term? Yes. 3y x minus 2 whole square. So we have to write irreducible form here. Yes. So 3 into y into this is x minus 2 whole square. So x minus 2 2 times. So x minus 2 into x minus 2. What is the second term? Yes, it is 2 into x minus 2. So 2 into x minus 2. That is the irreducible form for the second term. Look at these 2 terms. These 2 terms, what are the factors are common? Yes, we have x minus 2 is common for these 2 terms. Yes. So now x minus 2 is common. Yes. What is remaining in the first term? 3y into x minus 2. So 3y into x minus 2. What is remaining in the second term? Yes children, it is 2. So what is the factorized form of 3yx minus 2 the whole square minus 2x minus 2? X minus 2 into 3yx minus 2 minus 2. One more problem here. Look at this. Factorize a cube minus 3a square plus a minus 3. Here we have 4 terms. Yes? Do you have to group this and find a common factor? Yes. So now I am going to take the first 2 terms alone and the next 2 terms. Okay, I am going to make a group of 2 terms. So a cube minus 3a square is one group and a minus 3 is other group. In a cube minus 3a square, why I am grouping here? Just I am going to find the common factor for these 2 terms alone first. Okay. So which is the common factor for a cube minus 3a square? So a cube minus 3a square, do you all know how to write the irreducible factor? Yes. So how to write the irreducible factor for a cube? A into a into a. How to write 3a square? Yes, it is 3 into a into a. Yes, look at these 2. Which is a common? Yes, it is a into a. That is 2 times of a is a common. So that is written by a into a is a square. So a square is a common factor of a cube minus 3a square. So we can write a square is common. Yes. What is remaining in this one? A. And here 3. So a minus 3. So we finish finding common factor of first group. What is the second group here? A minus 3. In a minus 3, do you have any common factor? No. So that is 1 only is a common here. So we can write the plus 1 as a common because it doesn't have the common. So which is the highest common factor here? So 1 only is the highest common factor. So that is we can write a minus 3. Look at now. Again, how many terms do you have? 2 terms. What is the first term? A square, a minus 3. What is the second term? Plus 1 into a minus 3. In these 2 terms, which is common? A minus 3 is common. So, we are going to take out a minus 3 is common. What is remaining in the first term? A square is remaining. So, a square. And what is remaining in the second one? Plus 1. So, a square plus 1. So, what is the factorized form of a cube minus 3a square plus a minus 3? A minus 3 into a square plus 1. Children, take your classwork notebook and work out these 3 problems in your notebook.
Hi friends! Shall we recap what we learned today? We learned factorisation. What is the first step? Identifying common monomial factor. And next, factoring out common factor. And the other model, arranging 4-term polynomials into 2 groups. And next, factoring out common binomial.